Hello guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we are going to show you Home Depot affiliate program sign up. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually sign up to Home Depot's affiliate program? So it's actually pretty easy, but there are going to be a few things that you need to do here. So first things first is you first have to be located in the US because their website is only available in the US. So if you're using or if you're located in a different country, you might not be able to access their website. Now in this case, let's go ahead and open up any browser, go to google.com and search for the following, which is going to be Home Depot affiliate. So first link that you'll see here is the Home Depot affiliate program. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the Home Depot affiliate program link. So usually it's going to be at the very top here. Just click on the sign up button next to it and you should be able to see the next page, where in this case, you should be able to see some information about their affiliate program as well as the form to complete for you to join their program. Now in this case, the referral period here is for 1 day, and the sale that the commission that you get is 1%. Now we also have the application section here, which in this case you need to provide your user information. So that includes your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and confirmation of the password that you want to use for your account. Now we also have the company information here, which includes the account display name, your website, country, region, the street address for the company, city, state, zip, postal code, phone number, time zone, and bank location, country, and currency. Now we also have the promotional method here, which is your way of actually promoting the products that you will be getting from Home Depot. So we have the business model, promoting countries here. So in this case, if you're a creator, loyalty rewards, deals, coupons, commerce solution, network, media arbitrage, and a lot more, you can go ahead and choose that. We also have the promoting countries here. Just click on add another country, choose a different country here as you would. Now from here, you have the media properties here, which includes property type, property name, URL, and description. So if you have a website, you could go ahead and add it in here. Now you could also add a podcast, email newsletter, or offline or other means of actually adding media here. We also have the agreement section here, which includes the sale here, which is around 1% to 8% USD, depending on the item. So in this case, like for example, for list of items, SKU and appliances, it's actually 1%. For SKU and HD home, it's actually 8%. And all other items is going to be 1% item sale amount. So we also have the schedule here, qualified referrals, general terms and conditions here. So I would suggest you to read all through the media or agreements that they have here, so you know what is allowed and not allowed within the platform itself and the program. Now in this case, once you read that, you can go ahead and click on click sign up. I click and sign up. I confirm that I read, understand, acknowledge, and accept the foregoing terms and program terms and agree to the bound by them. Now in this case, once you fill out all the desired details here, just click on submit application and you should be able to submit your application for Home Depot affiliate program. So they would actually reach out to you via email. So they will actually inform you if you're accepted into the program itself via your email that you provided through this form here. Now in this case, the application process could take a few days or a few weeks. You just need to wait for it to actually for them to actually view your application. But yeah, so that's how you actually sign up to the affiliate program for Home Depot, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.